But that's not usually the case, especially now in the beginning. We've got a lot of referrals now and we've built that credibility. So in the beginning, you really want to be on the phone with these investors and really getting to know them and how much funds they have to place and what type of investments they're looking for. And then ask for referrals. This one gets forgotten a lot by other investors, and it's such a huge component of this. There's so many different times that you can ask for referrals. So one, they don't even have to be an investor, right? If you get on the phone with somebody or you're talking to them in person, you tell them what you do. You have this tool, you're an owner operator of multifamily apartments, and you bring in investors when you acquire these, passive investors that get great returns. Historically, the returns are better than stocks and retirement plans. You've been able to 2x some of your investors' money within a few years, whatever it is, right? And then instead of asking them for money, or maybe you already did, you ask them, do you know anybody that may have some funds to place or that could benefit from this, right? And you get ready to take down information. Don't just, get back to me and let me know. No, do you know anybody? Oh, so-and-so, okay. How can I contact them? Do you mind sending me their contact information? And you can do that so many different times, right? From the first time you talk to this investor, from when they invest with you, when you send them their first distribution, definitely on an exit, if you're returning their capital and giving them those returns, definitely want to be asking them there, but always be asking for referrals.